What's up, guys? Out here on the water, I want to show you which rear mount for your Sea-Doo you might want to do. Different views and why each one is different and what they do. So let's check these out. First one's going to be the Gravitron with a twist. All right, so if you guys have been watching my channel, you saw the Gravitron mount. This is a very, very sturdy mount for the 360 pole. And when I said with a twist, I mean with a twist. So as it has been, this is designed to hold the 36mm really thick carbon fiber stick. Just slides in here, locks down, and then put your camera on, extend it, and go. Now for the twist part. Now what if you don't have that 36mm stick? You've got the Insta360, the 1-inch stick. That's where the twist comes in. So you simply take the included reducer, which twists in, put it on here, twist it down, no hardware to worry about, insert your pole, screw it in tightly, attach your camera and extend it, and you're ready to roll. All right, so got the camera on the small stick first. I'm going to show you video from that one. Come back, I'm going to change it out to the Insta360 stick, or the 36mm stick, and then we're going to put the other mount on there. I'm going to show you the differences so you guys can make informed decisions on which mount you want to get. All right, so as you can see here, the main reason I don't like the small stick is because when you pull it up and lock it in place, with it wiggling like it does because of the movement and the thin metal of the stick, it tends to unlock itself and fall down. But you can see in a pinch, if you want to, you can run this selfie stick. You can also find the smaller selfie sticks that have a different way of locking that are a little bit tight and they stay together for a better, other than this really cheap Insta360 stick. So I'm gonna change this out to the 36mm stick. Show you, I'm gonna pull the twist cap off and insert it in, put the camera on. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we have the 36mm stick in the Gravitron mount, extended up with the camera on it. Let's get some footage from this one. All right, so as you can see from this one, it does a much better job of holding its length. Now it did collapse a little bit. It's just natural. It's the sticks, guys. There's nothing you can do about it. Your weak point is always gonna be your selfie stick. Let me show you another thing on this stick real quick. when you go to extend the stick, when you pull it up, see the very tiny little part there? Pretty flimsy. So I always collapse this down and I pull it up, collapse it down, pull it up. I want the camera to be on the end of one of the thicker ones, and then you can run it up some. Just a quick tip there, guys. So this Gravitron mount is going to be available in the twist version where you can run both sticks, or the single version where you can only run the 36 millimeter. The 36 millimeter version of it has a set screw in the side of it as an extra little snug point, because when your stick is doing this, it will vibrate loose a little bit. It's not going to come out, but when you stop, you're going to want to make sure you twist it in there. And the more that it wiggles out, the further it's going to do this. So that is where that extra thumb screw comes in handy on the one that doesn't have the twist. So both versions will be there. One version will say Gravitron and the other one will say add twist. So if you want to add the twist, it'll come like that. There is no set screw. The one without the twist has the set screw. Hope that makes sense to you. Any questions, let me know before you order. So now we're going to change up the mounts. So now it's time to head back on shore a little bit, or to the sandbar, and install the Game Changer rear. We'll see which one you guys prefer. All right, guys, so now we have the rear Game Changer. And what's special about this one is it puts your pole at a 30-degree angle. So this will kind of give you that drone shot, you know, away from the ski. Once we extend our pole up here, you got to look at something like that. Now this mount here also comes in two versions. This one here, as you happen to see, is it's got the 36 millimeter selfie at an angle. It's also got a spot here for a flagpole straight up and down. This also comes with a reducer to run that small hole up here if you want to. This little piece, which I highly recommend, is called a secure strap. This gives you, not only is it bolted here to the base of the ski, but it's also secured up here, so it's giving the top some more stability. So I'm gonna take off and shoot some video from this and put this thing all together and let you guys decide on which mount you think is best for you. Now, I will tell you up front, this is probably the most popular mount. It's not my overall favorite. My favorite is the side mount that you've seen on my other videos. But as far as popularity, this has got to be it. Between this one and the Gravitron mount, as far as overall strength, you're going to be stronger with the Gravitron. But of course, that does go straight up and down. So if you like that shot and it's fine, grab that mount. It's a really good option. If you want that away from the ski, grab this one. The reason this one is not as sturdy or as strong as the Gravitron is because the pole only goes to the top of the deck here inside this mount. The Gravitron actually puts that mount or that stick down inside the hull. So you're gonna get more strength that way. But anyway, they're both good choices. Let's see some video. Also, don't forget, when boarding your ski from the back, I recommend putting that stick down like it is now. And if you're carrying a passenger and that passenger falls off into the back of that stick and breaks your mount, you're buying another one. So be mindful. All right, guys, so that's video from both of those mounts. Let me know what you like in the comments. Of course, the link's in the description for purchase. Go to my website, www.NRGcreativ, without the E at the end.com. Also now offering international shipping from the website instead of Etsy. Etsy has been charging some ridiculous fees for international, so go to the website, check it out, and join my Facebook group for any discounts that I posted. They're only posted there. Of course, at the very, very beginning of that video was a video from the front game changer. Guys, we'll see you on the water. Talk to you next time.